Hey everybody, my name is Ricky Crowder. I'm with Elite Core here in Orlando at InfoComm 2025. I want to show you a product real quick. This is actually a product we launched a year ago, but I want to give it another shout out just because it's honestly been a great seller for us and it's taken off really on us. This is our PROCAT6A cable. A lot of people know Elite Core for our CAT cable. This 6A cable has become one of our best sellers really. And let me show you a little bit of the insights here. Inside of our CAT6A cable, we have a beautiful braided shield. This is 23 gauge solid conductor CAT cable. What I love about this cable, see if I can pull that off. Yeah, there you go. You can see it actually has dual layers of jacketing there, which makes this cable incredibly durable. And at the same time, despite it being really durable, as you can see, it's also very flexible, which has been just a tremendous value add to a lot of our clients, and a lot of our clients need that kind of flexibility. So just showing that off real quick here. If you'd like a sample of one of these, get a hold of us. We'd love to talk to you and maybe get you a sample, kind of show this stuff off, and a little bit of other things we do. Like our other cables, we can do a lot of custom labeling on this, as you can see here in our booth. Anything from a full color logo to length identification, barcodes, we can add RFIDs, whatever you need. We kill that game, so let us know. We can do that here as well. Anyway, thank you. This is Ricky from Elite Core. You can visit our site at elitecoreaudio.com. Thanks.